Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Congria, which can be used to conduct online virtual classrooms. Congria provides free access for 100 participants for anyone who has an account. To start with Congria, we need to go to the dashboard of Live Online Virtual Engagement. Click on Congria and you will be taken to the link to enroll yourself for the practice area of Congria. Once you fill up the form, the course admin will assign you the teacher's role. Once you get into the teacher's role, you can use this Congria practice course. So click on the given link and you will be taken to the page of Congria Live Online Virtual Engagement, CLOVE. You can see the three options here. It gives you the details of upcoming sessions. It also gives you the details of recorded sessions if any. And here is the option to schedule your session. So click on schedule and you will get another option to add a session. So you can click on add a session and you will be taken to a page where you can schedule your session. Here you need to select the date and the time. You have to also mention the duration. Now, if you are using Congria for a single open-ended session or multiple session, you need to enter the duration. And if you want to have Congria as an open-ended session, you can enter duration as 0. Once you enter the duration, you need to select the presenter. So click on this drop down menu and you need to search for your name and click on your name. So now you become a presenter. If you want to repeat this event, you can click on this checkbox, and if you want to save this session, so this is how you can schedule a session in Congria. Now once you schedule your session, scroll down the page and click on Join Virtual Classroom as a presenter. It will take me to the Congria Virtual Classroom. It will test the browser compatibility. It will also test for internet speed. It will test your audio, microphone. It will also test for the camera. After all these settings, click on Join Session and you will be taken to the live virtual classroom. Here is the icon which can be used to mute or unmute yourself. This icon can be used to start or to stop the camera. Down taskbar, they provide different options to add bookmark. Click on this icon to make your screen full size. You can also make it the original. This icon will display the users list. At present, I am the only one in the session. By means of this icon, you can start the chat. So this is the chat. This icon can be used to raise the question. You can also add notes by means of this icon. This arrow can be used to move sidebar. So click on this and you will get the full size of the window. Click on this plus sign to insert a new page. So at present I am at second page. You can also use these arrows to move to the next page and the left arrow to go to the previous page. On the left down side, this icon can be used to validate the system requirements. Click on this icon to check the network connectivity. Now on the left side, there is a panel which provides the different options, which includes whiteboard, document sharing, screen share, share video, poll, quiz, text editor, share presentation, and the last option is to end the session. So now let's explore all these options one by one. To start with whiteboard, click on the whiteboard and here are the options provided, which includes the freehand tool which can be used to write anything. You can also use the different shapes. You can also use the text box. There is a color option. You can select the color. You can active all the tools, and if you wish to clear the whiteboard, click on this cross sign. It will ask the message, do you really want to clear this whiteboard? Click on yes and your whiteboard gets clear. Let's go to the next option of document sharing. Click on document sharing. This is the document dashboard which displays all the documents that are already uploaded. To upload a new document, click on upload document. So now the document is getting uploaded. You get the message as document uploaded successfully. Once it's get uploaded, if you wish to delete it, you can use this bin icon to delete the document. If you finish with the document uploading, you can click on this finish. And now let's go to the third option, that is screen share. Click on screen share and you will be able to share your entire screen or application window or even Chrome tab. So select the screen and click on share. So here is the screen get shared. If you wish to stop sharing, click on this and here we comes back to the class. The next option is share video. So this is the video dashboard and it will display all the videos that are already uploaded. To upload a new video, click on upload video. You can select the video here. And here is the video uploaded successfully. So this is all about the video dashboard. Moving ahead to the next option, click on poll and this is the polling system where you can see all the questions which are already uploaded. If you wish to add a new question, you can click on add and write the question. You can also provide the options. If you wish to add a new option, you can add. You need to save, and you can also publish the question. So these are all the questions which are uploaded. If you wish to edit the question, you can do so. You can also delete the question. Now let's move to the next option, that is quiz. So click on quiz. You can add the quiz from the Moodle, but Congria supports the quiz only in the form of multiple choice questions. Moving to the next is text editor. Click on text editor and you will get the different options, which includes fonts, different fonts, the text size, colors. There is the option of bold, italic, underline, etc. They provides the bullets or sorted or unsorted list. So these are the different options provided. You can also insert an image. You can also turn on the collaboration. So this is all about the text editor. Let's go to the share presentation. Click on this. So this is the presentation dashboard where you can see all the videos which are already uploaded. You can enter the link and click on save. So the video is uploaded on the presentation dashboard. This icon can be used to end the session. So at present, I wish to end this session. So click on this and the session gets ended. If you really want to end this session, click on yes. The message comes as session has closed. You can now close your browser. So this is all about Congria Virtual Classroom. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks a lot.